Clutter can accumulate quickly, whether you're clearing out your home, managing an office cleanout, or handling a large-scale renovation. While removing junk yourself may seem like an option, it can be time-consuming, stressful, and potentially unsafe. For Austin residents, professional junk removal services offer a convenient, efficient, and hassle-free solution to reclaim your space. Here's a closer look at the benefits of professional junk removal in Austin and why it's a smart choice for your decluttering needs. Saves time and effort. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a professional junk removal service is the time and energy you save. Removing large or bulky items, making multiple trips to the landfill, or figuring out how to properly dispose of certain materials can be overwhelming. Professional services take care of everything for you. Quick and efficient removal. Crews handle the heavy lifting and loading, ensuring the job is completed quickly. Streamlined process. From start to finish, professionals manage the logistics of sorting, removing, and disposing of your junk. More free time. Instead of spending hours or days on junk removal, you can focus on other priorities, such as organizing your space or enjoying time with family. Safe and stress-free experience. Junk removal often involves lifting heavy objects, navigating tight spaces, or dealing with hazardous materials. Without the right tools or expertise, you risk injury or damage to your property. Professionals ensure a safe and stress-free experience by using proper equipment. Teams come equipped with tools like dollies, straps, and trucks to handle any job efficiently. Experienced crews. Trained professionals know how to safely remove and transport items without causing harm. Liability protection. Many junk removal companies are insured, so you're protected in case of accidental damage. This expertise eliminates the physical strain and potential risks of DIY junk removal. Comprehensive junk removal services. Professional junk removal companies in Austin handle a wide variety of items, making them a one-stop solution for all your decluttering needs. They can manage household junk, furniture, appliances, electronics, and general clutter. Construction debris, drywall, wood, concrete, and other materials from renovations. Yard waste, branches, leaves, and other outdoor debris. Specialty items, mattresses, hot tubs, and even heavy equipment. Whether you're clearing out a single room or managing a larger project, professionals have the expertise to tackle any challenge. Eco-friendly disposal practices. Sustainability is a priority in Austin, and professional junk removal companies share this commitment by adopting eco-friendly practices. They ensure that your junk is disposed of responsibly to minimize environmental impact. Recycling. Materials like metal, paper, and electronics are sorted and sent to recycling facilities. Donations. Usable furniture, clothing, and appliances are donated to local charities, helping those in need. Proper disposal. Hazardous materials, such as old paint or batteries, are disposed of safely and in compliance with local regulations. By choosing a professional service, you contribute to a cleaner, greener Austin. Improves your space and well-being. Cluttered spaces can affect your mood, productivity, and overall sense of well-being. Professional junk removal helps you create a clean, organized environment that boosts your quality of life. Benefits include increased usable space. Reclaim rooms, garages, or outdoor areas that were previously unusable due to clutter. Enhanced aesthetics. A clutter-free home or workspace is more visually appealing and inviting. Reduced stress. Living or working in a clean, organized space promotes mental clarity and relaxation. With their help, you can enjoy a space that feels refreshed and functional. Cost-effective solution. While it may seem like doing it yourself is the cheaper option, professional junk removal can actually save you money in the long run. Consider the costs of renting trucks, buying supplies, or taking time off work to handle the removal yourself. Professional services offer. Upfront pricing. Clear and transparent quotes based on the volume and type of items to be removed. No hidden fees. You know exactly what you're paying for, with no surprises. Efficient work. Professionals complete the job quickly, saving you time and reducing the overall cost of the project. This cost-effective approach makes professional junk removal a worthwhile investment. Customizable services. Every junk removal project is unique, and professional companies in Austin offer tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether you need a full property cleanout or just a single item removed, they can customize their services to fit your requirements. Residential services. Ideal for decluttering homes, garages, and attics. Commercial services. Perfect for office cleanouts, retail spaces, or construction sites. Event cleanup. Efficient removal of trash and debris after parties or corporate events. This flexibility ensures you get exactly the service you need, no matter the size or scope of the job. Conclusion. Professional junk removal in Austin offers a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly solution to clear out unwanted items and reclaim your space. From saving time and effort to improving your environment and ensuring responsible disposal, the benefits are undeniable. If you're ready to declutter your home, office, or property, contact a trusted junk removal service in Austin today. With their expertise, you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized space without the hassle, giving you more time to focus on what matters most.